Hey everyone, thank you for joining me today. I'm Ms. Nene and welcome to Ms. Nene's Art. So I've got this really cute wood cutout I got from Amazon. I will see if I can find the link and put it in the description for you. I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to dress her up, make her look really cute. I got these little black pom-poms from Hobby Lobby. That's going to be her hair. I'm just going to hot glue them on. And this material I picked up a while ago. I believe I got it from Walmart. And I'm just going to go ahead and use that as a neck piece and a headband. So I'm just going to go ahead and start. I'm going to turn this to something really beautiful. I'm so excited. This was a really easy project to do because I'm not doing anything too elaborate. I'm not using resin. I'm not even going to put a glaze on it. But you could do those things if you want to. But this particular piece of wood, this wood cutout that I got, is on the thin side. It's really thin. It's not the usual place where I get my wood cutouts, but I saw this one and I thought, well, let me go ahead and buy her. She's really pretty. I can do something really nice with that. But all I'm doing is just painting it, and I'm probably just going to hang it on my wall when I'm done with it. But it's an easy project. You just paint it and then go ahead and add your embellishments like I'm going to do here. Okay, so the top of her hair is dry. I had to step away for a little bit. And so now what I'm doing is filling in the rest of her hair, because just a regular Afro puff on the back wouldn't look right. She needs her hair as well. So I'm just painting in her hairline right now. Now, even though I'm going to put the little black pom-poms on her Afro puff, I did want to still paint it just in case there's any gaps. And if there are any gaps, you wouldn't really be able to see much because it's going to be black and not unpainted wood. So it's always good to give it a base coat to start. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'm just cleaning her hair up. I'm just clipping off and picking off the dry hot glue that fell on top of the little Afro puffs here. And I'm just, just trying to clean it up, give her a nice little clean look. But I'm loving her little Afro puff. Okay, looking pretty good, looking good. I really love that. Super cute. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut this material and make her hair wrap. So I decided I wanted to go ahead and use hot glue to glue it to her head. You don't have to do that. It's just something that I wanted to do, just to make sure it doesn't move and stays into place. But you could just tie it behind the wood piece and that would be fine too. But I just have to do things a little extra sometimes. I wanted to give her some earrings, and I walked around Hobby Lobby for a while the other day trying to figure out what should that be. And then I decided to get these little sunflowers from Dollar Tree, so that's where I got that. And I thought that would be a better addition to complement her headband and her neck, her little neck piece that I'm going to put on her. So I'm just hot gluing that down right there. And just like the headpiece, you could just tie it behind the piece, but I am going to hot glue it. But that would look cute too if I had wrapped it around and let it hang in the front a little bit. But I didn't do that. I just wanted to have a cute little matching neck piece. So What I'm doing right now is just trying to see what that would look like if I had left it in the front, and it would have looked really cute. But I'm just gonna go ahead and just glue it, one little nice little piece around the neck. Okay, so I'm just about done. I decided to add some of these little puffs underneath the band to give it a little bit definition, to give it a little feel, because it was kind of flat and I wanted to fill it in a little bit. I didn't want it to be that flat in the front. So I'm just stuffing it in, and then I'm going to glue down the edges, and then I'll be done. Okay, she is done. Wow, look at how cute she is. Oh my God, I love how this turned out. Let me know what you think about how she turned out in the comments below. And again, I will be leaving the link for this wood piece in the description for you in case you want to pick up your own. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you. Until next time, stay safe. Bye-bye.